go over how you install your presets into Lightroom. So you've downloaded some presets or bought some presets and you got them ready, you're in your downloads folder. So either you can have a zip file with a bunch of presets or one single XMP file, which is one preset. So let's go over how we're going to do that. So open Lightroom, you have an image open, you go over to the develop module, and then on the left you go to presets. You'll see some presets that are come with Lightroom. And what we're going to do is right beside the presets title right here, and there's a plus sign. So you click the plus and then go import presets. Now we go to the downloads file. So here's one for the Air 2S. It's an XMP, so it's a single preset. So you see when I click it, it imports it, created a category here that I've embedded into that file. So shooting real estate and then Air 2S. So now I can apply that preset to this file. Same thing could be done for a zip file. So import presets. If you have a zip, you'll see there's a pack of them. So that one included the Mavic Pro 2 and then level, upright, and verticals. And that is how you install presets. Thanks.